Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Glass Slipper. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped up version of the tutorial, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the lesson. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this tutorial and or many other exclusive ones that I have available for the Patreon members, or learning more about the Patreon membership program, where there's a bunch of other benefits that you get to enjoy and use to enhance your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a magical, shiny glass slipper, taking you to through your imagination. I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.